Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and performing initial checks. Plug in the router and verify the power and internet LEDs. Next, connect a laptop or phone to the router by Wi-Fi or Ethernet so you can access the admin page. Once connected, log into the Jio app or 192, 168, 29, 1 with the admin password. This gives you diagnostics and current status. Make sure to note any recent changes, cable swaps, firmware prompts, or maintenance notices, because those clues tell you where to focus next. Once done with login, inspect the WAN and connection type, PPPoE versus DHCP, and confirm credentials or IP allocation. Incorrect settings break internet. Reboot the ONT or modem, then power cycle the router. Wait 30 seconds between steps so firmware clears. If problems persist, swap Ethernet cables and ports and test with another device to isolate client versus network faults. Make sure to temporarily disable MAC filtering, parental controls, or firewall rules that might block traffic. You can reapply settings after the link is stable. If the middle steps don't restore service, back up your router settings, then perform a factory reset to remove corrupted configs. This is a last resort. After reset, update router firmware via the admin page, re-enter PPPoE or DHCP details, and recreate the Wi-Fi SSID and password. Use WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Finally, if you're still offline, collect timestamps, router LED statuses, and log exports, then call Jio support. One key tip: keep a mobile hotspot ready so you can test and share live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.